What built this? Animal builders. Not all builders are human. Some builders are animals. They build homes for themselves and their young. They build for protection and to catch prey. Take a look at what animals build. Prairie dog towns. A maze of prairie dog tunnels is like a real town. The underground tunnels have different rooms for sleeping and eating. Family groups stay together in neighborhoods. They come and go through many entrances. Welcome to Tunnel Town. 1. A family group has its own burrow with several entrances. 2. Near the entrances are rooms where prairie dogs can listen for predators. 3. Turna- Turnaround burrows are also near the surface. 4. Air vents keep fresh air moving throughout the burrow. 5. The bedroom is usually deeper underground. Sociable weaverbird nests. These friendly birds like a large crowd. Their nests can hold up to 400 birds. They use large sticks and dry grass for the nests. Roof and sides. The inside is light with softer grasses. Termite mound. Tiny termites can build mounds that are taller than three people standing on top of each other. They build their mounds with mud and chewed wood. The walls have tiny holes for fresh air. Pufferfish circles. These male fish make sand art to attract females. They form a large round pattern on the sea floor and decorate the circle with shells. If a female likes the circle, she lays her eggs in the middle. Spider trapdoors. These light spiders dig an underground tunnel and make a trapdoor on top. They cover the trapdoor with their silk and then cover that with dirt. When prey passes above them, they open the door and the prey falls through. Underground ant city. Millions of ants work together to build an underground ant cities. These giant cities have dirt highways that connect rooms. Side roads lead to gardens and trash pits. Little Ants, Big City. Researchers found a huge, empty underground city in Brazil, once the home of leafcutter ants. In order to build their home, each insect would have carried loads of earth more than half a mile, 0.8 kilometers, over and over. In total, the ants moved around 45 tons, 40 nt of soil to create their network of tunnels. Paper wasp nests. Paper wasps chew pieces of wood and plants to make a soft nest. The nest is made up of cells that look like an egg carton. Wasp eggs grow in the cells As the wasps grow in number, the nest gets bigger. Crayfish chimneys. Crayfish dig into moist soil to reach water. The dirt they push up looks like a small chimney. Other animals, such as snakes, sometimes hide in the empty chimney. Beaver dams and dams. Busy beavers use sticks and mud to build their dams. The dams make ponds. Beavers build their homes, called dams. In the ponds protect the beavers from other animals. Watch them build. Animals build great things. They do not need tools to build. They just use their bodies and the earth around them. Animals are amazing. 1. Which of the following statements is a fact about termites? A. Termites are really interesting insects. B. The queen termite can produce thousands of eggs per day. C. Termites are better insects than ants. D. Termites make the best class pets. B. The queen termite can produce thousands of eggs per day. 2. How are prairie dogs and leafcutter ants similar? A. They both are insects. B. They both build their homes in trees. C. They both build their homes underground. D. They both have family groups that stay together in neighborhoods. C. They both build their homes underground. 3. What is the main idea of this book? A. Animals build many different things. B. Animals need tools to build. C. Animals only build when they have help. D. Animals learned how to build things from humans. A. Animal build many different things. 4. What is the effect of crayfish digging into wet dirt? A. The dirt gets spread around on the ground. B. The dirt gets piled up and looks like a hill. C. The dirt gets pushed up and looks like a chimney. D. The crayfish eat the dirt as they dig into. C. The dirt gets pushed up and looks like a chimney. 5. Read the sentence. Animals build for protection. What does protection mean? A. Getting attacked by another animal. The openings or entryways to a place. See an animal that is hunted and eaten. D. Defense from harm or danger. D. Defense from harm or danger. 6. What is the author's purpose for writing this book? A. To persuade the reader to like prairie dogs. B. To inform the reader about different things animals build. C. To entertain the reader with stories about pets. D. To persuade the reader to start an ant farm. B. To inform the reader about different things animals build. 7. Which of the following happens first? A trapdoor spiders open the door and their food falls through. B. Trapdoor spiders cover their trapdoors with silk and dirt. C. Trapdoor spiders eat the food they caught. D. Trapdoor spiders dig an underground tunnel and make a trapdoor on top. D. Trapdoor spiders dig an underground tunnel and make a trapdoor on top. 8. Why did the other include a glossary? A. To help the reader define words that are in the book. D. To help The reader better understand those photographs in the book. See the list the name to list the names of the sections in the book. D. To help the reader identify key topics in the book. 8. A. To help the reader define words that are in the book. 9. What is prey? A. A home for a wild animal. B. An animal that hunts food. C. An animal that is hunted and eaten by another animal. D. The way an animal gets in and out of its home. C. Right? An animal that is hunted and eaten by another animal. 10. What is one way termites and paper wasps are similar when building? A. They both dig into the sand to build their homes. B. They both chew wood to build their homes. C. They both build their homes in ponds. D. They both build tall mounds. B. They both chew wood to build their homes.